There's no denying the success of AirPods as an integral part of the Apple ecosystem and a top choice as a music accessory among everyone. With a handful of variants, choosing the right AirPods for you might be easier said than done. With that, in our video today, we'll help you to make a proper decision regarding the right choice between the AirPods Pro, AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and the AirPods 3. So, without further ado, let's begin. AirPods Pro 2 stands out from the trio since it comes jam-packed with tons of features that improve upon the original in a ton of ways. The heavy hitter in the spec sheet is the 2 times more active noise cancellation that further improves upon the already impressive ANC from the original AirPods Pro, a new adaptive transparency feature, an obvious increase to the quality of the audio, reworked microphones, and lastly, a brand new MagSafe charging case that comes with Find My compatibility, built-in speaker, and then some. However, the AirPods 3 don't come with ANC features at all, which is something important to keep in mind. With no ANC, no need for adaptive transparency mode as well. All 3 variants, however, come with a dedicated adaptive EQ that'll help you personalize your sound according to your individual whims. The same goes for spatial audio that also comes with dynamic head tracking, making immersion a thing of absolute beauty regardless of your platform of entertainment. In terms of protection, fortunately the AirPods Pro, AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods 3 all come with a somewhat reliable IPX4 rating on both the buds and the case, which should be able to repel light liquid hazards such as rain and soft water sprays. However, we would advise caution against using them around pools or the beach. Siri being an integral part of the whole ecosystem, all 3 AirPods variants come with full-fledged support for Siri. Things take a different turn in terms of the charging case, however, since a MagSafe charging case comes off as an additional purchase for the AirPods 3, while both Pro variants come with MagSafe charging compatibility built in. As an extra addition, the AirPods Pro 2 has a lanyard loop support, so you can easily latch the case onto whatever you want. When it comes to battery life, from a single charge, both the AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods 3 can run for 6 full hours, while the AirPods Pro dumps it down to 5 hours, making it a poor choice when you want to enjoy music while being on the go. Now, hardware. The AirPods Pro 2 is apparently the only AirPods so far that has been blessed with the latest H2 chip for obvious reasons, while the AirPods Pro and AirPods 3 are powered by the previous Gen H1 chip. With the AirPods Pro 2, you'll also be getting the U1 chip in the charging case and Bluetooth 5.3, where you'll get Bluetooth 5.0 for the other variants, which makes the AirPods Pro 2 a very solid choice in terms of internal hardware. All good so far, but what about the microphone, sensors, and overall audio tech? First up, you'll be getting the usual dual beamforming inward-facing microphones in all variants of the AirPods. However, with the AirPods Pro 2 and the AirPods Pro, you'll be getting touch controls with force and swipe compatibility, leaving the AirPods 3 to default controls. AirPods Pro and AirPods 3 both come with the force sensor, but you'll need an AirPods Pro 2 if you want to make use of the force plus swipe touch controls. The in-ear sensor, however, is missing from the AirPods Pro, making the other 2 variants a much better choice if you prioritize the auto-pausing of music upon removal of the buds. Apart from that, all 3 variants come with the same features, except the AirPods 3 lacks a vent system that helps to equate the generated pressure on the ears. The best thing is, the AirPods Pro 2 when released was priced at $249, which was the same price as the AirPods Pro around its release, all while having a ton of upgrades over its predecessor. Upgrades such as double the effect of active noise cancellation, a new adaptive transparency mode, a slight increase to the overall battery life, and an upgraded MagSafe compatible charging case. There is actually an abundance of upgrades that explains why the AirPods Pro 2 is currently the most popular AirPods in the market. However, with the price tag in mind, if you feel like saving some cash while skimping out on some features, you could keep an eye out for the OG AirPods Pro, which often goes on sale. But then again, if in-ear fits frustrate you for some reason, and you won't be alone, the lightweight and simple AirPods 3 are the way to go. So, which one of the AirPods are you going to be choosing for yourself? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.